This training session is going to show you on how you can match student first and last names with the usernames listed on the leaderboards. So go to your leaderboards, and this may take up to 10 seconds to populate depending on how many students you have, and scroll down to the leaderboard that you want to match up the student first and last names to. And as you can see, I registered these students using a student ID number similar to what you may have used. Okay. Now every school submitted to me an Excel file that had this basic information in it. Now I didn't have this first and last names in this file because of student data privacy laws. But at your school you have this information with the student first and last names and the username. So the thing you need to do in this Excel file, you can see that this Excel file is organized with the last names in alphabetical order. I want to sort this file with the usernames in numerical order. So I'm going to go to Data, I'm going to go to Sort, and I'm going to go to Username. Hit OK. And now you can see that this is in numerical order. Once I've done that, I can go back to the leaderboard and I can highlight the leaderboard that I want to copy. I can go down here, highlight it, right click, copy, and then I can open up a new Excel file. And I can go right click and paste. And now I just have to clean this up a little bit. So I'm going to get rid of these avatars, these pictures. Just click on them and hit delete. Just get rid of these so we clean up our spreadsheet a little bit. Okay. And I also don't need this column, so I'm going to right click and delete that column. Now I can move these columns out a little bit and see the names and all the categories on what the student has accomplished. Okay. So now what I need to do is to organize this spreadsheet so the usernames are in numerical order too. So I've highlighted that area. I'm going to go to Data, I'm going to go to Sort, and here I'm going to sort by the name column and hit OK. And now that's organized from smallest to largest. I can get rid of this ranking again because I don't really need that. I'm going to delete that. And now I'm going to highlight 3 more columns and just right click and insert. So now I've got 3 new columns. I can go back to that original spreadsheet that you've connected the first and last names to with the username. I can highlight that, right click, copy, and I can go back to the leaderboard now and right click and paste. And as you can see, I can make these a little bigger so you can see that the first and last names and the username are connected to the student progress on the leaderboard. I brought in the username next to the name just as a way to double check and make sure that I've got the right student here. And I can look and see that these numbers are the same. So we've got the correct student. So now you know that John Smith has 620 miles. And I didn't have to manually look for this number and try to connect to this student. I just used the functions in Excel to do this. If you have any questions on how to do this, please shoot me an email or give me a call or post a question in the forum. Thanks.